Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to resize frame without resizing its content in Figma. First, head over to your Figma design, and in here, if you go click on your frame and resize it, you can see that the content comes with it. Now, first is you need to make sure that this one is not on scale, so go ahead and click the arrow beside it and choose on move. Now if you go ahead and click on your frame and resize it, you can see that the content does not come with it. Another option is to go ahead and hold Command or Control in your keyboard, and when you resize your frame, the content doesn't come with it also. That's just basically it. That's how you resize frame without resizing its content in Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.